Hello and welcome. You're tuned in to campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, bringing you the latest updates and highlights from our vibrant campus.
News for the month of March. March 3rd. Holy Cross College celebrates 61st College Day with grandeur. The 61st College Day of Holy Cross College, Nagercoil was celebrated with great enthusiasm on 3rd March 2026 at the Golden Jubilee Hall. Reverend Sister Dr. Jacqueline Pragasam, Province Animator, Madurai Province, graced the occasion as the chief guest, while Dr. P. Victoria Thangam, Joint Director of Collegiate Education, attended as the guest of honor. Shri S. Louis Amidin, DIG cum Chief Security Commissioner, Railway Protection Force, delivered a career guidance talk, and alumna guest Mrs. Matilda Louise Mary also graced the event. The principal presented the annual report highlighting the institution's academic excellence, research achievements, and overall progress. Prizes and awards were distributed to meritorious students for their accomplishments in academic, sports, and extracurricular activities. The celebration also marked International Women's Day, during which 25 women achievers were honored for their contribution. The event concluded with a vibrant cultural program reflecting the talents and unity of the students. 6th of March, Intercollegiate Physics Fest highlights nuclear energy awareness. The Department of Physics, Holy Cross College, Nagercoil organized an Intercollegiate Physics Fest in association with the Kudamkulam Nuclear Power Project, a unit of Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. The fest was centered on the theme Nuclear Energy Powering a Sustainable Future. Mr. Arul Jaral Prakash, former director of the Kerala State Science and Technology Museum, Thiruvananthapuram, addressed the gathering and emphasized the importance of conserving nuclear resources. The program also featured insightful sessions by Mr. Reggie Joyce and Scientific Assistant, Health Physics Unit, and Mr. Lingadurai, Senior Technician, National Training Center, who shared their professional expertise. The event included competitions such as Physics Meme Contest on If Atoms at social media, a poster-making competition on future of nuclear science, and a paper presentation on role of nuclear energy in reducing carbon emissions. Students from various colleges participated enthusiastically, showcasing creativity and scientific knowledge. Winners were awarded trophies and all participants received certificates. Women's Day celebration organized by the Self-Financing Department of Tamil. The Department of Tamil Self-Financing, in association with Dinamala newspaper, organized a Women's Day celebration on 6th of March 2026 at the Golden Jubilee Hall. The program was presided over by Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal, and Dr. Sister Mary Hilda, the secretary. Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi delivered the presidential address. The event featured a special address by journalist and writer Mr. Swaminathan. Prizes were distributed to students who won competitions conducted in connection with Women's Day, sponsored by Dinamala newspaper. Zoology students visit NIMS Medicity. 19 students from 1st BSc and 1st MSc Zoology programs visited NIMS Medicity Trivandrum on 6th March 2026 as part of their MOU activity. The visit offered valuable exposure to modern diagnostic laboratory practices. Students observed automated analysis for blood testing, microbiological culture techniques, antibiotic sensitivity testing, and screening methods for infections such as HIV and hepatitis. Demonstrations in clinical pathology, including urine analysis and DNA-RNA techniques, were also conducted. The visit enhanced students' practical understanding and helped bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and real-world applications.
These were the latest happenings from our campus at Holy Cross College, Nagercoil. Every day unfolds new milestones and memories. Stay connected for more inspiring updates in our next edition of Campus News.